When you arrive at Appleby Castle, you're already talking about being part of history that goes back hundreds and hundreds of years. There was a building here on this site, even in Roman times. And what we're looking at now is the part of the property that is still occupied. And it is the oldest occupied building in Cumbria, dating back to the 1100s. Above me now, we've got the round tower. This was built in the 1200s and it juts out so that it can protect the gate as well as look over the moat. But one of the areas of particular interest is right on the top. You've got a medieval toilet. Another superb part of the castle is the portcullis door behind me.